GADWatch, the Magna Carta for Persons with Disabilities.
Meron tayong tinatawag na Magna Carta of Persons with Disabilities. So dito sa Magna Carta, pinag-uusapan yung principle or prinsipyo ng mga karapatang pantao ng mga persons with disabilities. Currently, we have 10 types of disabilities. Magkakaiba sila ng mga pangangailangan. Sa mga kababaihan na may kapansanan, titignan natin dito yung intersectionality na, diba, merong gender-based biases. Tapos meron siya another level of marginalization kasi may disability to mga kababaihan na to. Double yung struggles nila and burdens nila is kakaiba din sa mga typical ng mga kababaihan. For example, wheelchair user na kababaihan, kung walang rampa, paano yung accessibility ng mga health services? Hindi accessible ng mga toilets. Mas paigtingin dapat sa gender and development yung intersectionality pa. Hindi dapat naiiwan yung mga kababaihang may kapansanan. Sa Quezon City, we're implementing full automation ng ID registration. We're trying to provide initiatives per disability, per age group, per sex distribution. Kami yung unang nag-employ last 2023 ng mga persons with disabilities dito sa Lungsod, Quezon. Almost 300 persons with disabilities. So after that, may mga pumunta na sa amin ng mga private companies and they were employing persons with disabilities. Regular yung aming pag-endorse sa kanila. We call this the Kasama Ka sa QC, and we provide training programs, no, such as Safe Space Act, disability awareness and sensitivity, yung job readiness ng mga persons with disabilities.
Currently, we're working on the issuance of a unified persons with disability ID. This is to ensure also that the benefits and privileges afforded to persons with disability are not also abused and that it is given or extended to those really deserving and are in need. Yung ating mga persons with disabilities ay tinutulungan din po natin sa mga iba't ibang programa at serbisyo ng DSWD like the assistance to individuals in crisis situation. Meron din po tayo mga cash for work activities for persons with disabilities. Hindi dapat PWD kasi people first. We focus on the person, not on the disability. Person with disability siya.
GADWatch,